Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Halton Hills housing update. So we had a terrible week with numbers, so we're gonna just take a look at this. In Georgetown this week, we only had 6 sales. That is a horrific number for Georgetown. The last time we had 6 sales was the last week of December, and we only had 12 available listings in Georgetown. So basically there was nothing to buy, which is why sales were so low. And now we have 125 listings in Georgetown. So 10 times the amount of inventory, so tons for people to buy, but they're not buying it. So really bad sales this week. In terms of new listings, there was 16 new listings. So lots of new inventory coming up and it is just not moving. Acton this week had 1 sale and 2 new listings. Glen Williams and Limehouse had no sales, no new listings, and the rural market had 3 sales, pretty high week for rural actually, and 1 new listing. But now let's look at active inventory. So last week, our inventory had actually dipped a bit, but that kind of flipped again this week. So in all of Halton Hills this week, we are up to 192 active listings, so very high number. Georgetown is up from 117 to 125 active listings. Under 800,000 is up to 15 active listings from 14. 800 to $1 million is up to 30 active listings from 25. So that price point is feeling a major pinch. 1 million to 1.5 million is really hit hard also. That is up to 55 active listings. That is the highest number we've seen in that price point. And 1.5 million plus is sitting at 25 active listings for the last 2 weeks. So they're kind of stable there, but not a lot moving. Acton this week remained the same at 22 active listings. Glen Williams remained the same at 11. Limehouse remained the same at 3, and the rural market's down to 31. So the market that is getting hit the hardest right now is Georgetown. I mean, that's always been the case, but right now, if you have a listing in Georgetown, you are certainly feeling it. The other markets, the listings are just not really moving. So you're still feeling it as well. Like the sales numbers are basically nothing. So you're feeling that pinch, but you're not seeing as much competition hitting the market. So it's a little bit different in the secondary markets, but overall, really bad numbers. I was hoping that we would continue to see, like for a couple weeks, we saw the trend of low listings and that just wasn't the case last week. So inventory spiked again. I don't know. I can't predict anything anymore, guys. Like all I know is that the buyers are not pulling any triggers. Open houses are busy, but not a lot of showings, and it's just a weird market out there. So we're going to continue to watch it. Next Tuesday, I will have July numbers, which are going to be really interesting. They're going to be low. I can tell you that right now. So I will be back next Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone.